Hello, Friday morning. Good morning. How are you guys? Welcome to my channel. And today lesson we will talking about something that you might see it in every day. Sometimes you might need it for buy food, to pay for transportation, to pay for your course, to pay for something in life. Yeah, what we're talking about today is about the money here, right here. So of course, today lesson we were talking about the money, which is about Lao Kip. Okay, Lao Kip is a Kip, is a KIP, is a money in Lao that we use, and of course, this lesson I think it might be like important for the person who just come to Lao for the first time, and they just living here and then they don't know what exactly like when someone say. When you go to the store and then you buy something, and if that person they cannot speak Lao, or if the driver something they cannot speak English, sorry. So if they say like 5,000, 3,000, 100, how could you understand if you don't know the Lao language, right? So I think, so what I see, some of the foreigner that they come to Lao for the first time and then they sleep here for 1 day or 2 days, so they don't know exactly what the driver say, what the seller say to them. So what they do, for what I see, they show them, so please take that money, like they let the seller or the driver just take your money like that, but they don't know, maybe you don't know, like did they take or did they take your money in the right price or something that you should pay or not. So that's important, right? So what I do here, I want to help you to figure out for this problem. If you know this, how could we say this? How could we, like 5,000? Where can I find 5,000, 3,000, something like that? It's about the number, all right? So here, we just have only like 8 different type. Like we start from 500 keep, and I should manage it. I mean, so 500, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, okay, and 10,000, 12,000, 50,000, and 100,000. Okay, all right, we're gonna start here. So, so look at the board. Money in English, in Lao we say ngân, ngân. Ani man ngân. Okay, in Lao we say ngân for the money. NGERN, ngân. So ani man ngân keep money, okay. Ngân keep. Ani man ngân dollar, $1, ngân dollar, ngân keep, okay. So we have for the first money that we have, it is 500 keep. So 500 keep in Lao we say ha. Ha mean 5. Ha mean 5. 500. Loi mean 100. Loi mean 100 or 20. It mean 100. So 500 mean 500. Okay. So which is this one? I'll show you. So this is a 500. Okay. So this is how it look. Okay. I turned the wrong way. So this is 500. Actually, the money they have 2 sides, right? The first side, the second side. So here is 500. So if you look at here, I can say that if you are living here for the first time in Laos or in Vientiane, I can tell you that you will not know this is what color. Oh no, this is what number, because this is the Lao number. 00 is the same, but for number 5 here is different. So what we call here is a Lao number. So they have for the first page or this page, they might have a Lao number, but you turn to the other page here, they will have a international number, which is right here. Okay. So when you look at here, right, you will see 500. Okay. So this means 500 keep. So this is the color. This is how it looks. Please be carefully. Actually, if you not notice, is you not look at it very carefully, it will it seem like it look like it look the same with the other amount, with other number, with other type of money. Okay, so please look at here, be carefully when you spend it, when you pay for something while you are living here. Just make sure that you give them the right money, okay, the right amount. So here is allow site, allow number. So this site is the international number 500 500 อันนี้แมนใบ500 actually the word ใบ is mean like peach. For the word ใบ is mean like this isใบfor the tree, like a apple tree, mango tree, a leaf, like a mint leaf is mean we say bai, but the money is seem like that. I mean like the tree they have many leaf, like so this is like a leaf, you know, like so we say bai, that mean one piece of it, like the piece of it, the piece of money, the money we say bai. So then this is we say bai 500 ใบ500กีบใบพันกีบor you can say like 500 กีบ, that's fine. But buy that mean like that mean like the name of the money, like is we say buy for the piece of something. So the next one 1000 we say นึ่ง is mean one, พัน is mean thousand, 1,000 it mean 1,000. Okay, so try 1,000 is mean 1,000. So 1,000 is mean 1,000. 1 is mean 1,000. So this is 1,000 here. Very green, no? So again the same. So this side will be the loud number. So here is number 1. Okay. So this is number 1. So this is a number 1 and 00, 1,000. Okay, but when you turn to this side, they will give you an international number. So here 1,000, 1000. Okay, 1,000 อันนี้แมน 1,000 กีบ Okay. Up. So the next one is 2,000. 2 is mean 2. 2,000, 2,000. And same. So this is 2,000. This side is a now they have one side. They also have a loud number and the international number here, 2,000. See, and also this side the same. International number is here, and the loud number is here, 2,000. Okay. So please very careful when you use the money, when you spend the money, when you pay for something while you are living here. Look, this is 100,000. 100,000. Okay, 100,000, and this is 2,000. If you look at here, it look very similar. It look very the same. So when you notice here, you will see this is like a white, the number, the logo. Okay, a president of Laos. So they have here like That Luang Stupa and the temple. So you know, when you look at the like overview here, it seems like similar. It seems like very the same. It's also like a green color, you know. So when you turn back here, this side is still also the same. So they have the white side here and a little green here, the number there, and they have the logo here and logo here. Number here. You know, like the light up here from here to here, the light up here from here to here is very similar. So this is 2,000. This is 100,000. So when you spend it, please carefully and look at it carefully before you give to person, before you buy something, give to the driver, give to the seller. Okay. Even I think even Lao people still, you know, like when they go to the bar, when they go to, you know, drink at the restaurant, sometimes, you know, you cannot, sometimes, who know, I mean, like maybe when you're drunk, you give to the wrong, you know, like you give to the wrong one. Maybe you think like 4,000, for example, you want to give them 4,000, actually it should be this one, huh? 4,000. Two of this, it will be 4,000. But how come if you like, who know, right? If you give this to them, it will be like 400,000. You lost the money. I mean, so please be carefully. Okay, this is 2,000, and then we move to a 5,000. Okay, so 5,000. 5,000. 5,000. Okay, 5 is mean 5. 5,000 is 1,000. 5,000. This is a 5,000. Okay, this is how it looks. This is 5,000. Okay, so the international number is here, Lao number is here, 5,000. Okay, so this side is the same. They have the like a Lao number and international number. It is 5,000. This is the color of the money. Also, I think that the good way is trying to also remember the color of the number or the style, how it looks. Okay, this is 5,000. And the next one is 10,000. Okay, this is 10,000. 10,000. 10. 10. 10. SIP. 10 mean 10. Pan is 1,000. 10,000. อันนี้ man 10,000. Okay, very blue, no? It's blue color. So 10,000 is right here, and this is Lao number. 10,000. 10,000 กีบ อันนี้ man ใบ 10,000 กีบ or 10,000 กีบ. Okay, the next one is 20,000. 20,000 is 20,000. 20,000. 20 is mean 20. 20,000. 20,000. อันนี้ man 20,000. Okay, so they have here very like yellow or gold color something, right? Look like a yellow or gold. So this is the international number. Lao number is right here. Okay, so international number right here, Lao right here. So 20,000. So please be carefully before you use it. Try to take a little bit time before spending. Look at around where is the international number, you know. So the next one is 50,000. This is 50,000. 50. 50. 5 mean 5. 10 mean 10. So 50 mean 50, not 15. Okay, not 15, but it mean 50. 50. So 15 we say 15. 15 is 15. 50. 50 is 50. Okay, so 50,000. 50,000. This is how it look. Okay, this is Lao number. Lao number. Turn to this side is the international number right here. International number right here. So อันนี้ man 50,000. 50,000. And the last one, the last money that we have, and the last buy สุดท้าย no? The last is 100,000. This is the 100,000, the largest money in Lao. I mean, like the last amount, the bigger amount is 100,000. Look at here is 100,000 right here. This is Lao number. Turn to this side is 100,000. It's a Lao number. This is 100,000. 100,000. 100,000. 1 one แสน mean like five they have like 50 like 10 10 10 10 10 and put one 100,000 100,000 we say 100,000 so 200,000 we say 200,000 300,000 we say 300,000 400,000 500,000 600,000 700,000 okay so แสน is like 100,000 100,000 we say 100,000 อันนี้แมน100,000 okay so now maybe we're gonna move here to practice the pronunciation and trying to listen carefully like how to pronounce how to say the number how to say this kind of money 500 กีบ500กีบโอเค1,000 กีบอันนี้แมน 1,000 กีบเนาะ green color ไรโด right color 500 กีบ 1,000 กีบ 1,500 กีบ 1,500 กีบโอเค5,000 กีบ 5,000 กีบ 5,000 กีบ 5,000 okay so parts together 5,000 กีบ 1,000 กีบ 500 กีบ together would be okay 5 6 600 6,500 6,000 6,500 6,500 กีบ 5,000 6,000 6,500 กีบ 6,500 กีบ okay 10,000 is 10,000 10,000 10,000 now 500 กีบ okay 500 กีบ 1,000 กีบ okay อันนี้แมน 1,000 กีบ 5,000 กีบ by 5,000 10,000 กีบ plus together okay now we trying to count okay we will count from the big number first and then the small number for the last okay 10,000 5,000 15,000 right 16,000 okay 16,500 กีบ okay 16,500 กีบ 10 15 15 10 15 16 10,000 15,000 16,500 กีบ 16,500 กีบ okay next 20,000 อันนี้แมน 20,000 okay 20,000 20,000 กีบ now press all the bit 20,000 10,000 5,000 1,500 now we call it 20 30 35 36 500 put together say the big number first 30,000 right 20 30 35 36 36 what do we say 36 if you don't know the number go to the lesson for the number how do we say the number in Lao and I think I will make it soon but the lesson I want to make it first 36,000 36,000 okay 36,000 500 กีบ all of this is 36,500 กีบ 36 36,500 okay 36,500 กีบ 36,500 36,500 กีบ okay the next 50 50,000 50,000 พันกีบ so now I will call it for all 50,000 20,000 10,000 5,000 2,000 1,000 and 500 so now I will call it okay now 50 50,000 กีบ20,000 กีบ it would be together it would be 50 and 20 plus together it would be 70,000 กีบ 70,000 กีบ plus 10,000 80,000 กีบ okay plus 5,000 85,000 กีบ 85,000 plus 2,000 87,000 กีบ plus 1,000 88,000 กีบ 88,000 กีบ 88,500 กีบ okay 88,500 88,500 กีบ okay 88,500 กีบ the last one 100,000 okay 100,000 now what I just say at the moment 88,500 กีบ 88,500 right 88,500 plus 100,000 so it would be 100,000 88,000 กีบ okay 188,500 กีบ now we'll call again that correct or not 100 okay 100 100,000 now to try to remember it 100 50,000 20,000 so it would be 70,000 80,000 plus 10,000 80,000 85,000 87,000 88,000 500,000 so 100 100,000 88,500,000 88,500 188,500 so all of this is would be 188,500 กีบ okay I will write it and maybe okay I will write here so this is the number 1 oh sorry not 1,000,000 okay so all I have in my hand now is 100,000 okay 188,000 88,500 กีบ okay one more time 100,000 100,000 88,000 500 กีบ 188,500 กีบ 100,000 188,000 188,500 yeah 188,500 กีบ so all I have here in my hand so okay so before I finish this video I want you to go back again trying to listen for the pronunciation very carefully how to pronounce how to say this how to pay this in the correct correct one, correct number. So try more. 500 1,000 2,000 5,000 10,000 20,000 50,000 100,000 100,000 กีบ okay, so all of this will be end with the word กีบ that means allow number is กีบ 500 กีบ 1,000 กีบ 2,000 กีบ 5,000 กีบ 10,000 กีบ 20,000 กีบ 50,000 กีบ 100,000 กีบ and here just the example 100,000 multiple 10 it would be 1 ล้าน that means 1 million กีบ 1 ล้านกีบ okay, I don't have 1 million here in my hand 1 ล้านกีบ okay, the next one, the next example 1 ล้าน 500,000 กีบ 1,500,000 กีบ 1 ล้าน 1,500,000 500,000 กีบ 1 ล้าน 500,000 กีบ 1,500,000 1 ล้าน 500,000 กีบ. So here what we have all here, all the number, all the money here plus together will be 188,500 กีบ 188,500 กีบ. Okay, so yeah, so this is about the Lao money. So this is important while you're living here, staying here. Maybe you don't know like how to pronounce and how to understand when the Lao people or Lao diver, Lao sailor people working at the bar, if they don't speak English. So when they stay in Lao, like 100,000 200,000 300,000 400,000 when you pay for the bill, when you pay for driver, when you pay for taxi. So this is important. Alright, keep practice. Try to listen carefully. Try to practice more. As I say, we only have like eight different type. We count from 500 until 100,000. Okay, so easy. Take time. Okay, so for this video, we are going to stop and finish now, and see you for the next video. And this is a Friday, and I hope you guys will enjoy your work. Please take care of yourself and enjoy for your weekend for tomorrow, because Lao here is now Friday afternoon. Maybe it's like 1 p.m. now. We will see you in the next video. Okay, please enjoy and take care of yourself. And ขอบใจหลายๆ thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.